Soonybiz ERP software. So we start by, after downloading it, you come to the software where it's downloaded to. So on your download folder, you double click to launch it. So you click on more info. This is window 11. So you run anyway. So click on yes, and the installation will start just in a few seconds. So next, you accept the terms and conditions for end user license agreement, and then next and next and next, and then installation is completed. You launch it. So here you enter the licensing information. So I'm just going to enter the demo license. So you entered your license, received license information. You fill the information using your company name, your country, phone number, email address, and then the license number. If it's invalid, it will not go through. So after activation, then the software will launch. So the next, we're going to enter the SQL information. So on the standalone setup, you just need to click on the search server. So this will quickly search up the SQL server already installed in the system. So this is for standalone. So here it will, if you have SQL server running on the system, you see the information listed here. And then test DP connection, tell you successful. So if you are connecting on a client system, for example, you have a database installed and you have other workstation to connect to the database, what you need to do, you change the authentication to SQL, and then your username will be SA. Then you input the SQL server password you entered while installing, during where you are asked to define, is it mixed mode or Windows authentication. So whatever password you define there is what you're going to use here. So when you are done, you also test the DP connection, and so just like this, successful. So for client installation, where you have a workstation connecting to the server, what you need to do is just to switch to client. So this is done after you have set up the server installation itself. Then you just click on save and you're done with that. But in this case, this is standalone. So I'm switching it back to server. So here, so it tells your DB connection. So yeah, I'm setting up a demo system. So for production environment setup, you click on blank DB. So I'm going to click on blank DB so that I'll do setup from there. So here you click on yes, you click OK. So the software will close. Here is the shortcut to the software. So I'm going to launch it again. So this time the software will open. So the default admin pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are. Installation is completed. So now is to go and start setup from the back office. So the first thing to define is the company information. So here you define the company information from the top down. You define your other settings, how you want your printer to act, your SMS if you want to use SMS, your email behavior, the database automatic backup folder, your QR code link. So that is it for now. In the next video, we'll continue on how to set up these informations. Thank you.